What is efficiency? Efficiency is an important metric that actually can help you earn more money per hour when you utilize it correctly. At Better Life Maids, we measure the total time you work and divide that up into different parts of your day. Those main parts are the time you're checked into jobs cleaning versus drive time, paid breaks, meetings, or any other time clocked in that's not spent supporting customers. So simply, efficiency is the percentage of time that is spent cleaning versus other time. So we're going to just take a look at an example here, the team 13, and we can see that this is a very efficient route. It's scheduled to be 98.66% efficient. And we are anticipating 6 hours and 12 minutes of clock time and 6 hours and 7 minutes of job time. So that's a planned efficiency metric. We have this scheduled so that these two homes are only 5 minutes apart. So why does efficiency matter? It's an important metric for a variety of reasons, not least of which it can affect your ability to earn a higher hourly rate. At Better Life Maids, we work under a commission structure called job share. That means you really earn your top wages while cleaning homes. We guarantee that you'll make a minimum hourly rate that's currently $18 an hour. But while you're cleaning homes, your cleaning hourly rate can be much higher and is on average up to $27 per hour in 2022. So the more time you spend cleaning, the more you can earn. Think of it this way. If you have the same day, right? And let's say this day was worth $135 to you in job share. You have two jobs regardless. Let's say you took an hour break in between. So instead of this being perhaps a 6-hour day, it's now a 7-hour day. So let's kind of compare the two. So if you completed this day in 6 hours, you'd average almost $22.50 for the day. If it took you 7 hours, your effective hourly rate would go down to $19.29. So it benefits you to be more efficient. You can earn the same amount of money in less time, and on some days, being efficient, you could potentially give yourself the ability to pick up an extra home, greatly increasing your ability to earn at Better Life Maids. One other thing to look at though is, so what really happened? So at the end of the day, it's not always as simple as, what we would, like to see 98% efficiency. This technician needed to take a break between homes, so they finished this at 11:38, took a small, reasonable paid break of 15 minutes, 16 minutes looks like, and then we're into their next home by 12 o'clock. That's very reasonable and is expected. Just understanding that will drop your efficiency slightly. So they had a total efficiency of 92% for the day. That's still very strong and should lead to good results as far as what your earnings would be. So what things can affect efficiency? So again, we work really hard to create these dense schedules. So if we kind of back out, every single team, we're working hard to try and get homes as close as reasonably together as we can. It's not always possible, but that's our goal, as much as reasonably possible, to put homes as close together, creating high efficiency scores between these homes, and again, allowing our technicians to earn high wages. So most days that we start out at over 98% planned. But efficiency doesn't take account a couple things. So the drive time from your house to your first customer, if you're starting from home, or leaving your last customer back to your home, those are considered your commute, and those are not factored into your efficiency. We do try and create routes that actually take in mind where everyone lives. And, when someone lives out kind of far away, that's kind of hard to do. But we do keep in mind where folks live, try and create schedules based on that as best we possibly can. So there is a lot that goes into creating these schedules. But things that can affect efficiency, that can drop it, if you take into account, let's say there is an excessive amount of drive time for the day, that can decrease efficiency. Paid breaks do decrease your efficiency, but you still should take paid breaks if you need them. You have a 15-minute between homes as necessary. 30-minute unpaid lunch will not affect efficiency because you're reducing your clock hours when you do that. Trips to the office and meetings can also affect efficiency. Team members that have the highest efficiency ratings do plan their trips to the office though. They may only come 1 to 2 times at the end of their workday per week, and time traveling to the office and spent there is still on the clock. So your effective hourly rate can be diluted. Again, you'll never make less than guarantee, and most of the time this won't have a major impact on your earnings, but you want to think about that when you're planning out how often you're going to come back to the office. Taking extra times between homes can also affect your efficiency. So if you're going to take a lunch, make sure you clock out. If you're going to take a short break in between homes, make sure that it's 15 minutes or as planned if it's going to be a paid break. So again, we try and schedule these homes together, but sometimes due to a variety of factors, that isn't easy as it sounds. So drive the most efficient route between homes. That's always going to be important. Most of our homes are no more than 11 miles from one another. Our entire service area is not all that large, so it's definitely doable. One other area that can affect efficiency is meetings. We do have some in-person meetings to cover topics of safety and customer service, but we do try and minimize in-person meetings to once per quarter and deliver other key information through our learning systems to help you maximize your time on the clock. Remember, you'll never make less than the guaranteed wage, currently $18 per hour in 2022, but you want to maximize your time cleaning so that you can earn a higher effective hourly rate. There are other factors like productivity, another measure we're going to look at shortly, that is a performance metric that you can see that can affect your hourly wage, but we'll save that for the next video. So have a great day.